Teacher, can anybody give an example of coincidence? Johnny: Sir, my mother and father got married on the same day, same time.
The problem with socialism is that you eventually run out of other people's money.
My favorite text is I'll be there in 5 minutes as if not. Read this again.
Unwritten rule of the day: do not make eye contact while eating a banana.
If women ruled the world, there would be no war. Just a bunch of jealous countries not talking to each other.
I am so pissed. Obama stole Yes We Can from Bob the Builder.
It has been scientifically proven that women can be satisfied with 3.3 inches, and it doesn't even matter if it comes from Visa or MasterCard.
How is it that atheists know more about religion than we do?
Am I the only one in 3rd grade that put Elmer's glue on their hands and let it dry, just so I could peel it off?
I used to hate weddings cause all the old folk came to me and said, "You're next." My payback was at funerals. I could say, "You're next."
That little paperclip on MS Word needs to piss off. I don't need help, and the animations are no longer funny or amusing.
Sad news from Australia today: the inventor of the boomerang grenade died today in a test run.
You know you're gay when you wear your underwear backwards.
I wouldn't do that if I were you. Are you me? No. You are not, so shut the hell up.
Get in your car Friday night at midnight, roll down all the windows, drive in a 10 miles per hour zone, but go 40 to 50 while listening to Bat in a Bone. Only then will you feel total badness.
My credit is so bad, the person that stole it gave it back to me.
I hate it when I ask for Pepsi and they ask if Coke is okay.
3-pack of condoms, $15. 1 box of Viagra, $17. 3 cans of whipped cream, $5. 3 cans of Nutella, $6. Toy handcuffs, $4. Total $47. The look in my wife's face priceless.
Confucius: say, rape is impossible. Girl with skirt up can run faster than boy with pants down.